4221 West Cliff, Padlock and Renovation. Doorbell works. A few small stains in the carpet. I believe it'll come out. It needs to be checked out. It's gonna be a large trash out. You can see the previous tenant looks like she didn't take anything. It's furniture, clothes, household goods. It's also gonna be a large touch-up paint. It's not our color. It's a whitish cream. Full paint throughout if it's our color. Refrigerator and freezer has everything. Just needs to be cleaned up. Large water leak up under the kitchen sink. Needs to be repaired. Also needs to be sprayed for bugs. Doorknob is loose on this door. There's also a small hole in the wall from the doorknob. It needs to be repaired. Missing plug outlet cover. There's stickers and pictures on the walls. Need to be removed. See no water leak. Toilet's tight. Seats tight. Close down one. Shower has a shower head. I'm missing smoke detector. Needs to be installed. Paneling to the hall closet door is coming off. Needs to be repaired. Markings on the wall. And that's about it.